What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to install the final component of this gas tank episode, and it is going to be the fuel filler neck. We're going to install that right now. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do on our new fuel filler neck is remove this plastic cover. We don't need it. We have the original one here. It's still good. What's the purpose? So I'm going to remove it, save it for another day in case that one goes bad. Which I highly doubt it's plastic, but you never know. Again, just as an advance, I am so sorry about this background noise. They're doing a lot of construction here. A lot of staple guns are going off. A lot of nail guns are going off. But this episode has to be made. So let us get right into it. So we're going to remove the 3 bolts, which are 7mm. Once we get that out, the whole hose should just be free and we can install it. Huh. Not a lot of tension on this. Oh. There we go, it's out. Now let's install the new one. So before we install the new one, something interesting that I found out, this one comes with a ground cable strap. So I'm not sure if yours have any ground cable straps or if mine originally did and it broke off. But this is new to me and we got one. So let's work on installing this right now. Okay guys, so it's really hard for me to show you detail by detail of me installing this fuel filler neck, but it's super easy. It actually went in without any struggle for me. A little bit of struggle, but not much where it's excessive. You just have to play around with it and like put it in the right direction, put it over the frame, and it'll eventually just slide in. It'll figure itself out. It took me like 3 minutes to really get it in. It wasn't that long. I didn't want to film it because I didn't know how hard of a time I would have with it, but aside from all the dust that fell on me, it actually went in pretty easy. So I'm just gonna show you it with the light to show you how it looks when it's routed. So I'm gonna turn it now. So right here is the top of the fuel filler neck, right? There's the outside where the gas goes in. It goes over the frame rail here by the spare tire and over that cross member right over there and down to the tank. There's a lot of dirt up here still, so once we do the restoration of the Avalanche, we'll get all that cleaned up and fixed in no time. But other than that, it went in super smooth. So all we have to do is we have to connect those 2 hoses to the gas tank and tighten this up right here. So I'm going to work on connecting the 2 hoses as we speak. Alrighty guys, so we finally got the filler neck in. We finally filled it up with some gas. What we got to do now is try to see if this truck is going to start. So first I'm going to prime it and then we're going to turn the key and hopefully it starts. It started. It started. It's finally good to finally hear this beast run again. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick episode. I'm gonna look underneath the truck to make sure nothing's leaking because I'm smelling gas. I don't know if it's just because everything's brand new and it's pushing through or I got a leak somewhere, but I'm gonna check, make sure. I'll keep you all up to date. It's getting late. I gotta edit this video and put it out. So we will see you all for the next one. Thank you all for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you can be up to date with all my latest videos, and also like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you want a King Custom sticker, definitely hit me up on Facebook and Instagram, and I will see you all for the next one. Peace.